What's up, y'all? If you paid attention to my previous videos, you probably noticed that I have one of these. This is a 2003 V8 4runner. It's my daily and my tow rig. Throughout the years, I've only changed the brake, the tires, the shocks, and these headlights have been bothering me since day one, but I never had a reason to change them because they work just fine. But just last week, both of the headlights went out, so I finally got a reason to change them. So I went on eBay and I got these for like 120 bucks. And just so you guys know, these headlights do not come with light bulbs. I took a big fat L when I purchased it because I did not read the description. Always read the description, people. Always. After you remove the trim, you'll see there is one 10mm screw at the bottom. And now let's remove the top trim. So the top trim is actually a lot easier than the bottom trim. There are just a lot of these little mounting pins. You just get a flathead screwdriver or a pick the circle part up, and then you can take the entire pin out. Alright. Now the entire headlights. Oh, focus. Now the neighbor's kids. Now the entire headlights has 4 mounting points. One over here, one over here, one over here, and one over here. They're all 10mm with a Phillip head design. So you can either use a 10mm socket or a 10mm wrench or a Phillip head screwdriver. So for the 5th mounting point, you need to unscrew this one, and there's another one at the bottom, 2 10mm screws, and then you can pop this open. If you feel uncomfortable, you can just unscrew another one on top, and then you can actually find the mounting point. It's another 10mm screw. At this point, you have to use a socket or a wrench, because the difference is this one is actually a bolt and it has no Phillip head design. And since I bought the new low beam bulbs, I'm not gonna remove this bulb. I mean, they're out anyways, but I am gonna remove the high beam bulbs because they still work very well, and I didn't buy new ones for them. And by the way, if you hear kids screaming, that's my neighbor's kids. They're lovely. They're just a little bit noisy today because it's actually Halloween weekend today. Alright, now let's attach the new shiny headlights. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. So this is the light that I got from AutoZone. I forgot how much it was. It's like 45, 48. Yeah. So just twist it on. Alright, now this side is done. Let me finish up the other side and also finish up the bottom mounting point. That way I can... Actually, I don't even think you have to bolt up the bottom mounting point. But, you know, if you want, you can still do that, but I am not gonna. So I'm just gonna fix up the wheel well and then move on to the other side. I like it. It's it definitely made the car looks a lot modern. I don't know what's the right word for it, but yeah, it looks really nice. Let me find a better lining. There you go. Yeah, it looks really nice. I dig it. So the next step for this car will be an oil change, and I'm pretty sure all of y'all know how to do an oil change. So yeah, that's it for today's video. It's a little bit of sidetrack outside of this build series. If you haven't seen this build series yet, make sure to check out on this side of the screen, and make sure to subscribe and like this video as well. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.